So I have joined a lot of seminars and courses the last 2 years after I graduated. The CoRE course was one of the best ones because it combines so much practice sessions and hands-ons as much as theory, and it has the advantage of 1v1 educator and participant education. The experience in EGIO is a fantastic experience. The whole course was in a very cozy place, the office of Dr. Panos Bazos, and it was so much fun because all the educators, they wanted to teach you, they wanted to show you the bioemulation way, and I recommend it to anyone who wants an updated version of the most demanding procedures of restorative dentistry.